The Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore Limited (FACT) Udyog Mandal proposed to select eligible candidates as paid apprentices under the Apprenticeship Act in the following categories: graduate apprentice, period of training 1 year, stipend 10,000 per month, qualification engineering degree, BTech, B, QC, AICT recognized regular course in any one of following discipline: computer, computer science and engineering, civil, chemical, mechanical, electrical and electronics, instrumentation and control, applied electronics and instrumentation. Eligibility: engineering degree with an aggregate of minimum 60% marks in qualifying exam for general category and minimum 50% marks for SC/ST in the relevant discipline, and should not have completed more than 3 years after passing degrees as on 31st March 2022. BOAT Southern Region registered Kerala candidates are only eligible to apply. Age limit: age not more than 25 years for general candidates as on 1st January 2022. For general candidates with date of birth on or after 2 January 1997, OBC candidates with date of birth on or after 2 January 1994, for SC/ST candidates with date of birth on or after 2 January 1992, reservation as per rule, reservation for SC/ST, OBC, EWS, PWBT. The discipline-wise quota of apprenticeship is as follows: discipline: computer engineering, computer science and engineering, number of vacancies 4; civil engineering, number of vacancies 3; chemical engineering, number of vacancies 5; mechanical engineering, number of vacancies 5; electrical and electronics engineering, number of vacancies 4; electronics and instrumentation and control engineering, applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, number of vacancies 3. Technician, diploma, apprentice, period of training 1 year, stipend 8,000 per month, qualification a 3-year diploma in engineering in any one of following discipline: State Board of Technical Education recognized regular course, chemical, computer, civil, electrical and electronics, instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation, instrument technology, mechanical, commercial practice. Eligibility: diploma with an aggregate of minimum 60% marks in qualifying exam for general category and minimum 50% marks for SC/ST category in the relevant discipline, and should not have completed more than 3 years after passing diploma as on 31st March on 2022. BOAT Southern Region registered Kerala candidates are only eligible to apply. Age limit: age not more than 23 years for general candidates as on 1st January 2022. For general candidates with date of birth on or after 2 January 1999. For OBC candidates with date of birth on or after 2 January 1996. For SC/ST candidates with date of birth on or after 2 January 1994. The discipline-wise quota of apprenticeship is as follows: discipline: chemical engineering, number of vacancies 15th; computer engineering, number of vacancies 13th; civil engineering, number of vacancies 5; electrical and electronics engineering, number of vacancies 5; instrumentation engineering, instrument technology, electronics and instrumentation engineering, number of vacancies 4; mechanical engineering, number of vacancies 10; commercial practice, number of vacancies 5. Note the candidates belonging to the discipline mentioned above can only apply. Engineering diploma in any other discipline or equivalent engineering diploma will not be considered. Instruction to the candidates. Application form for graduate diploma apprentice available in APACITY website www.apact.co.in should be downloaded and submitted to APACITY Training and Development Center before 4 p.m. on 18th December 2021. A copy of the following documents should be attested and sent to the address mentioned below along with the application form. 10th pass certificate and mark list for diploma graduate candidate, 12th pass certificate and mark list for graduate candidate, graduation diploma pass certificate and mark list, caste certificate in the case of SC/ST, non-creamier certificate in the case of OBC candidate, and EWS certificate in the case of economically weaker section, which should be valid as per the date mentioned in the certificate and in any case issued not before 6 months by an officer not less than the rank of a Tehsildar. Disability certificate for PWBT candidates from competent medical board. PWBT will be considered for selection to computer discipline and commercial practice apprenticeship only. Aadhaar card dependency certificate applicable for dependents of APACITY employees. Due care should be taken while filling email ID and phone number. Both are essential for future correspondence. Incomplete application or application received after the due date or application without the above mentioned certificates will be liable for rejection without any intimation and will not be considered for selection. The certificate which are not original legible will be liable for rejection without any intimation. The list of the eligible candidates will be published in our website www.apact.co.in and the candidates will be informed through their email. Students awarded with CGPA grade system should be produce conversion certificate of CGPA grade into percentage obtained from their university board. For those who have not submitted the conversion certificate, the UPSC CGPA conversion formula will be applicable. Graduate diploma candidates should be register themselves in the online web portal of Board of Apprenticeship Training www.mhrdnats.government.in under student category BOAT Southern Region Kerala. Registered candidates are only eligible to apply. The registration ID and password should be available with the applicants. Age relaxation for SC, ST, OBC and PWD candidates is allowed as per rule. PWD will be considered for selection to computer discipline apprenticeship only. The merit list for selection will be prepared based on marks obtained in qualifying examination, 50% marks and plus 2 50% marks weightage for graduate and 50% marks 10th standard for diploma. In case of the tie marks of the immediately preceding qualifying examination will be considered. In the case of further ties, priority will be given for marks obtained in the order of maths, physics and chemistry in 12th standard examination for graduates candidate, and priority will be given for marks obtained in the order of maths and science in 10th standard examination for diploma candidate. The selected candidates should be produce Aadhaar card as proof of residential address and the following documents at the time of joining. All original certificates mentioned in point 2, two sets of attested copy of all documents, 6 numbers of passport size color photographs. SC, ST, OBC candidates should be produce original attested copy of caste certificate, NTS registration ID, www.mhrdnts.government.in, police clearance certificate, dependency certificate, if applicable for dependents of FACT employees, medical fitness certificate obtained in the prescribed format with valid lab reports, a valid and negative COVID-19 test report RT-PCR taken 1 to 3 days before the date of joining and COVID-19 vaccination certificate. The stipend amount and period of training will be as per prevailing Apprenticeship Act. FACT has not authorized any other website to publish this advertisement. Therefore, the company is not responsible for any misleading information that may appear on any other websites. Any change, modification in the above notification will be intimated through the official website www.fact.co.in only and will not be intimated through any other media. The decision of FACT shall be final and binding in all matters relating to selection. FACT will have the right to cancel the notification without stating reasons. Dependents of FACT employees on joining should be bring the dependency certificate issued from the HR department. The last date for receipt of application is 18th December 2021 before 4 p.m. Application received after the last date will not be accepted. Application form along with all the documents mentioned in above instruction number 2 should be sent at the following address: the Deputy Manager Training, FACT Training and Development Center, Udyog Mandal, Ellur, Ernakulam District, pin code 683501.